Takt Time. So, what is Takt Time? It is the maximum amount of time requires to produce the product and satisfy the customer's demand. It is, in other words, net time available to work per unit of customer's demand. Takt time equals net time available to work divided by customer demand. In the equation, T equals takt time. TA equals net time available to work, for example, working 8 hours per day. D equals demand, or customer demand. For example, units required is 1,000 quantity per day. Example, if there are a total of 8 hours, or 480 minutes, in a shift, gross time, less 30 minutes lunch, 20 minutes of tea breaks, 10 minutes for a meeting with team, then the net available time to work equals 480. Minus 30 minus 20 minus 10 is equal to 420 minutes. If customer demand were 840 units per day and one shift was being run, then the line would be required to output at a minimum rate of 2 parts per minute in order to satisfy the customer's demand. Benefits. It keeps track of production rates. It helps us to set real-time targets for production and reduces unnecessary wastes. We can achieve a consistent flow of production by using Takt Time. We can eliminate the waste of overproduction by producing to meet actual customer demand.